So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, as we could see, getting that nice breakout a few days ago of the downtrend yet again, very much looking like we're putting in this big W double bottom pattern, just like so many altcoins are. We've had obviously this very extended period to the downside of this downtrend for altcoins in general. You can see we've got this resistance as well for Polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside as well. Recently, this lovely pickup off the lows, as you can see. We came down into this bear market low area here, where we're getting some really high demand for Polygon, and as you can see, we have had a very nice bounce from that area. We've actually reversed that entire move with a really big, unusual chart movement, to say the least. Big bullish divergences coming in at the low. Bitcoin bouncing off its lows as well, and you can see here Polygon looking like it's breaking out of its resistance yet again, and as I said in my previous videos, probably putting in this W double bottom pattern like this, heading back up towards 50-60 cents is a pretty likely course of action now. Polygon way too overextended to the downside overall, and the whole altcoin market really just looking like it's going to be having some nice reversals soon. Overall, we are just going to be chilling and waiting for this one to play out, but overall I would say we're in some really nice buying territory for Polygon and a lot of altcoins, aren't we? So let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.